If you like keeping things simple, this OBD2 Enhanced Code Scanner is just what you're looking for. The EDIAG YA-101 is super easy to use, reads and clears codes, displays live data and freeze frame information, and costs only $23. At that price, there's no reason you can't diagnose and fix your own car. To use it, turn the key to the on position and plug it in. Once the main menu shows up, you have Diagnostic, DTC Lookup, you can look up the definition of the codes, Voltage Test, Option, and About. We'll go up to Diagnostic, say OK. It says that the check engine light is off. We'll say OK. You can read codes, erase codes, check out live data, freeze frame information, vehicle information, IM readiness, mode 6, O2 sensor test, and run a component test. So we'll go back up here and just read codes. And you can have stored codes, pending codes, or permanent codes. We'll just do stored codes and we'll go ahead and read it. It says no codes are stored in the module, so you don't have a check engine light on at this time. We'll go back, read codes, erase codes, and check out live data. So we'll start the engine and press OK. And live data, this will help you diagnose your check engine light, because you can check out all the sensor values right now while the car is running. So if you had a code, you could take a look at the sensor and make sure it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. Let's back out of that. We'll turn this off, put it back in the on position, and freeze frame information. This is a snapshot of the operating conditions at the time of the fault. And obviously we can't do that right now because we don't have a code. Vehicle information, IM readiness. This tests the car's emission control systems. Mode 6 tells you basically if the vehicle will pass the emission test or things that are happening even if there's no check engine light. O2 sensor test gives you a pass-fail evaluation for the O2 sensors. And a component test displays a list of the components and their locations on the vehicle. To turn it off, we'll just turn the key to the off position and unplug it. The EDIAG YA-101 is easy to use and navigate, has all the really essential features needed to diagnose the check engine light, includes free lifetime updates, and costs only $23. That's pretty hard to beat. I hope you enjoyed this video on a very affordable yet capable scanner, and if you did and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.